Hey y'all, how's it going? Alice Monigo, TexasGalStudio. Welcome back to my channel. So we're outside in the veggie garden. I have some cleanup area that I want to do, so I want to take you on that adventure. Let me turn around the camera so I could show you. So this area right here is where I'm going to do the cleanup. I have an Esperanza growing right there. That was a voluntary plant. And then we have a lot of sunflowers here, which I am going to harvest some so I could be able to create some containers to keep outdoors. I do have a kiddo that is very allergy prone, or any pollen that comes into the house, like fresh flowers and stuff. Hubby gives me fresh flowers within a day. Once I see the pollen kind of releasing, I need to take him out because my kiddo, my eldest, is sneezing and sneezing, and I could tell, oh no, it's a fresh flower. So I won't take these in, even though I love fresh flowers, but I will keep them probably out here. Let me show you see, I need to recreate this container. I know y'all saw me create that one, and then I have another one in the other area. So that's we were working on some rock garden, or rocks for the rock garden, and I'll bring that video to you as well. But let me stop this part of the video here, turn this camera around, and let's get cleaning. look at this. I'm so saddened. I let my chickens out and they went crazy. This thing was already growing. Oh, I hope I can salvage this. The flowers, I'm gonna have to redo all this right here. They just went crazy. I let them out because look at this, I even put mulch all right there and all the mulch right there. Now it's all over here. Okay, so she's being super broody and she doesn't even have eggs anymore, and she's bleeding a little bit because one of the white ones, and I want to say it's that one, keeps attacking her. So I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna have to move her. And then we have other little chickies in there. So cute. Then we have some youngins also right there. So we're just trying to acclimate everyone together so they could play nice, but I don't think that's gonna happen. We've introduced chickens before and it never works out. We have to separate them always. So let's see. I just gave them fresh, look at that. I just gave them fresh water and they just got it all dirty. The same over there. They haven't dirtied it, but oh well. Oh, I can't believe it. I'm just saddened by that. I worked so hard. Okay, we'll get it cleaned up. Okay, crisis averted. The chickens didn't kill it so much. It did bend right about here, but I kind of wrapped it a little bit and then I put fresh soil, packed it in, put some mulch there. The same with this. I packed it in. My hands are all blue because I was working in the studio, but the salvia looks good. The coleus looks good. They didn't even touch the coleus, and I came and watered these. Then I fixed some mulch as much as I could right there. Obviously I picked up leaves and stuff, and over here I picked up sticks and leaves because they had really come this way, but I was able to kind of tuck in the mulch around there. It looks a lot cleaner, and I just put some little cutouts that I had done. So okay, just wanted to share that with you. I need to buy now more mulch so I can refill the little areas. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear John. Happy birthday to you.
Thank y'all so much for joining me this afternoon. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll come back with a Tipi update and see if that plant survives. Y'all be safe and strong. Attitude is everything. Bye, y'all.